Thanks, Bob. One thing we need to make clear here, you can't legislate public corruption. If people are corrupt, they need to know that their Attorney General is going to come down on them hard. I certainly would support a constitutional amendment to do away with the loophole in the speech and debate clause. I think there are some great legislators that are up there, but there are people that are being corrupt, and those types of people, no matter how much you legislate or put a constitutional amendment in, will be doing those acts, and they need to know that their Attorney General will not be from their party or another party. When Robert Rainville is Attorney General, as an independent, he will not stand for any type or form of public corruption, whether it's bribery or any other form that the people will have lost their trust in their public official. Again, having a constitutional amendment is certainly something I would support, but I want to make sure everyone that's in the General Assembly or any other public office, town council, anywhere that they may be, that the Attorney General, Robert Rainville, will make sure that they will be prosecuted to the fullest if they are corrupt and steal the honest services that people put them in that place for.